If 5 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 11, then 5 raised to the power x plus 1 equals, let's find out. So we have 5 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 11. From indices, we are allowed to write this as 5 raised to the power x over 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 11. Why? Because a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. And division is the same as the sign being used over here. From this, 5 raised to the power x is now equal to 11 by cross multiplying times 5. This is now equal to 5 raised to the power x equals 55. Now, if you are gotten 5 raised to the power x being equal to 55, you are being asked that what is 5 raised to the power x plus 1? From this, if I have 5 raised to the power x plus 1, it is allowed to be written as 5 raised to the power x multiplied by 5 raised to the power 1. Why? A raised to the power m times a raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m plus n. So from this, we have this. So this is now equal to, we have 5 raised to the power x giving us 55 over here. So I have 55 multiplied by 5. So therefore, this is 275. Therefore, 5 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 275. See you in the next one.